Hey guys, I'm Hannah Bronfman. I am the author of Do What Feels Good. You may know me from my Instagram at Hannah Bronfman. I am also the founder of HB Fit, which is a millennial destination for all things wellness. So I balance staying healthy with a busy schedule by doing a few things, right? Time management and looking ahead is really the key here for me. I make sure I have all my vitamins packed. I have all of my travel snacks on hand. I make sure that I have some extra face masks. I make sure that I'm super hydrated. And generally when I'm traveling, I look at the city through a health and wellness lens and seek out places that I might be able to get a yoga class in after I wrap a busy day, or might be able to grab a green juice in the morning on my way to the airport. One of my favorite healthy weeknight meals to make is my loaded sweet potatoes from Do What Feels Good. It's kind of a take on a regular loaded baked potato, but it's got sweet potato, and instead of using sour cream, we suggest using a Greek yogurt, and you can really kind of add whatever toppings you want, like vegan cheese or regular cheese. Have fun with it. It's super filling and with really wholesome, good for you ingredients. So I was really inspired to write my book because of my own personal journey of self-discovery and being in the wellness industry for the last 10 years. I have amassed so much knowledge and been able to speak to amazing experts in their field. And I just felt like now, moving out of my 20s into my 30s, it was time for me to do a full data dump of everything that I rely on daily that I think could be really useful to all of you. So my biggest 3 self-care tips are: 1, self-massage. So I'm a huge fan of showing yourself some love. So whether that's when I put on my moisturizer in the morning and I'm giving myself a 1-minute facial massage, or if I've had a really long day and I just need to give my hands or my feet some TLC, taking 3 minutes out of my day, whether it's in the shower or in a cab or an Uber, that little moment of checking in with myself is huge. Second tip for self-care: breathing exercises. I'm a huge advocate of breathing exercises. It's a really good way of bringing your nervous system to a calm level, whether that happens in the middle of your day or when you wake up or before you go to bed. It's an easy thing that makes you feel really amazing. And the third easy self-care tip that I'm gonna suggest, which some people would think that it's easy, some might think it's hard, but do not look at your phone an hour before going to bed. I swear you will sleep better and you will feel better in the morning and your mind won't be as cluttered. And some people might find this very difficult because it's hard to detach, but it's really good to turn off and really let your body wind down for bedtime. Cool, okay. So as someone who posts a lot about working out on my social media, it really does motivate me. Every time that I post me working out, the response I get from my community about how it's made them feel or how it's motivated them is such a motivation for me to keep going. There are so many days where I wake up and I'm not feeling it, right? And then I open up my Instagram and someone sent me an amazing message and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna do this. And it's always important for me to remember how I felt after I worked out, because I've never gone to a workout where I didn't leave feeling amazing, right? So remembering that way, how I feel afterwards, always makes me get to the gym. So when I'm not in the mood to work out, I really do if I'm okay, well, even if it's a 30-minute walk, right? I've done something to move my body, and that's enough. I think there's a lot about the guilt that we put on ourselves if we miss a workout, or if we've missed a whole week of working out and then all of a sudden we're feeling unmotivated to get ourselves back to the gym, right? We always have to start somewhere, and it doesn't necessarily have to be in a boutique fitness class, right? You can wake up and do planks, a wall sit, and a couple sit-ups next to your bed. Something to just get you back in that habit of moving your body in a way that's intentional, I think is really, at the core what we're all trying to achieve. Okay, so for me, after a long day, I love to unwind with a bath. I know not everyone has a bath, but I grew up on baths and I kind of seek them out, and even if I don't have one, I'm going over to a friend's house to use her bath. But I really find that I'm a bit of a concoctor in the bathroom. Like, I love to add my salts, my essential oils, my clays, and in my book, Do What Feels Good, I've got about 9 different bath concoctions that are good for everything from soothing irritated skin to relaxing muscles and general detox, so highly suggest checking those out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below.